or lola. Ato sila ihag o pag-thank you and say, I love you mama, I love you papa.
Kuya't pagod ng kotang piniin. Hindi ko malilimutan. Walang kapantay-o
Aksihan niyo ang mga preschoolers na pagbalik na sa ilang bangko. Ang linggo na pagbalik, kids.
walang katumbas niyo.
O karon, atong hatagan of special na time si ma'am. I believe na teachers are the God's gift to students. Pwede ka mag-roll kay ma'am kung na may something ha. Roll lang si ma'am, then mag-thank you. We are forever grateful for your guidance and support, ma'am. Thank you for investing your time, energy, and heart into our kids' education. Your impact reaches far beyond the classroom, shaping our kids into individuals they are today. You have touched the lives of countless students, leaving an incredible mark on each student. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hindi nakatindog si ma'am sa iyong kadaghan sa iyang give.
Salamat tayo sa inyong mga gift.
Kung karon, akong gihanyo si ma'am alang sa closing remarks.
Okay,